Have you ever tried Magic Shell? It's a chocolate sauce that you drizzle over ice cream and within seconds turns into a crisp cocoa crust. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make with just 2 ingredients. The quickest option is to use chocolate chips. You could also use chocolate bars that you chop up. It'll just give you a slightly thinner coating and a more gourmet flavor. I prefer to use semi-sweet to bittersweet. Choose between 35 to 72% cacao. This is semi-sweet chips, so it's going to give you a nice balance of flavor. If you just use melted chocolate to add to the ice cream, it's going to turn really thick and hard, so you want to add a little bit of fat. Use refined coconut oil for the cleanest taste. You can use unrefined for a more coconutty flavor. Incorporating in some of the fat is going to dilute some of the cocoa solids, and then once it hits the cold ice cream, it's going to start to harden. For the perfect ratio, use 1 cup of chocolate chips and a 1/4 cup of refined coconut oil. Make sure that there is no moisture in the bowl or the chocolate is going to seize up and harden. Microwave the mixture in 15-second intervals until it's nice and smooth. Stir the chocolate mixture in between. It's important to gradually heat up the chocolate so it doesn't burn. The process only took about 60 to 75 seconds to get a smooth, drizzly chocolate. You don't want the chocolate to go above 120 degrees or it'll have a burnt taste. Target just below 100. Now I know you may be tempted to use this right away, but you don't want it to melt your ice cream, so let it cool down for about 20 minutes until it reaches just above room temperature between 73 to 80 degrees. To switch up the flavor of the sauce, add a little bit of sea salt for saltiness, or you can add peppermint, some vanilla, or banana extract. What's great about this sauce is you can store it at room temperature for up to a month. Just place it in a glass jar. It's going to solidify over time, so just reheat it in 10-second intervals until it's nice and smooth. Add a few scoops of your favorite ice cream to a bowl and get ready to drizzle. Just add a thin coating on top. When the sauce touches the cold ice cream around 5 to 10 degrees, it's going to quickly harden. This is because the coconut oil is high in saturated fatty acids, turning it liquid to solid around 74 to 76 degrees. Ooh, as you can see, it's already starting to harden. It went from shiny to matte. Make sure to add any sprinkles on top right now. Magic Shell is usually used as a topping for ice cream, but here are a couple other ways to use it. Grab a few cones to make homemade drumsticks. Drizzle some of the Magic Shell in the cone. This creates a barrier so that if the ice cream melts, the cone doesn't get soggy. You can even add some caramel sauce inside of the cone. This is my son's favorite flavor. Freeze the cones for about 5 minutes to let the chocolate harden. Now add your favorite ice cream to each cone, making sure that you add some to the center. Press the ice cream down into the shell. Be really careful not to break it. Then get 1 nice big rounded scoop for the top. Make sure to press down a little so it's nice and secure on top of that cone. If you plan on making a bunch of cones, I find it easiest to line a cupcake pan with some liners and then place the cone upside down. That way you can freeze and harden them before you add the chocolate shell. Freeze the cones for about 30 minutes so that the ice cream hardens up so it's easy to dip. The ice cream on the cones are nice and solidified. Just peel off the wrapper. Have your chocolate and toppings ready to go. Dip the ice cream cone in the chocolate sauce. Woo, cutting it close. Now immediately dip into your topping. Voila, a homemade drumstick. My daughter loves sprinkles, so this one's for her. Freeze these to enjoy later, or I'm gonna have one right now. Crispy, creamy, delicious. These chocolate-covered bananas are made with only 4 ingredients and they make for the perfect summertime treat. Pick out some ripe but not mushy bananas. These are medium-sized, about 7 inches in length. Just peel the bananas. Since these are pretty long, I like to cut them in half. Use a popsicle stick or a lollipop stick to insert into the banana. This will be a nice holder. Transfer to a parchment paper lined sheet pan. If you want a quick and healthy sweet treat, you can just dip the bananas in chocolate right away, but these are going to be frozen ones, so we're going to add them into the freezer for about 2 hours. To make the chocolate coating, combine 1 cup of chocolate chips, this is semi-sweet, with a 1/4 cup of refined coconut oil. Microwave in 15-second increments, stirring in between until the sauce is nice and smooth. Wow, this is perfect. The sauce is nice and glossy. Transfer the sauce to a tall glass so it's easier to dip. Chop some nuts for the topping. This is about 1 cup of peanuts. The bananas are solid, but before you start dipping, make sure you have your station all set up. Dip the banana into the chocolate sauce. Oh, this looks good. Give it a little twirl to take off any excess chocolate. Now, if you're adding toppings, make sure to sprinkle it on right away because the chocolate is starting to harden already. If you're like me and you're a fan of getting chocolate bananas while you're at the beach or at a fair, now you can make them at home. Now that you know how to make magic shell, how would you use it in desserts? Let me know in the comment section below. For the full recipe, check out jessicagavin.com. See you there. So good.